Do you love your business, but the cash flow just isn't cutting it? You've got bills to pay, and the amount of time you're putting into your business doesn't seem to be paying off. Let's face it, the juice isn't worth the squeeze right now in your business. So in today's video, I want to share with you 5 things you can do right now to start making more money in your business. Hi, I'm Trina, and I started this YouTube channel to help creative entrepreneurs like you get on YouTube to grow your business. If you're new here, click subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video to help you. Now, if I know you, you probably love your business and you're passionate about the things that you do and the people that you help. But you've got to pay some bills and you're considering about taking a part-time job or a full-time job. I know I was at that same place just a few years ago, and there are some things that I learned through this process and mistakes that I did that I want to share with you so you can start making money now so you don't have to start putting in your applications. Now, I totally understand that feeling. I've been there before, and you're thinking about updating your resume and submitting it to some job openings, but you really want to work on your business. So here are the things that I did that I learned from that helped me get more money in my business that I wish I would have done from the start. The first thing you can start doing now is create a small product to help you make some passive income. Now, before you worry about this passive income word, I totally get it has a bad rap. There is no passive income. But we get so wrapped up in everything that's said in the online world on launch a course, launch this giant product. But what I wish I would have done that's helping me now in my business is starting with something small, anywhere from the $10 to $50 range. This starts to get people into your funnel. They start to get to see what you create, how you can help them, and that really helps build your know, like, and trust. Plus, you're making some money on it. Some things that you could start doing for the $10 to $50 range is a workbook, or swipe files, or a template, or checklist, or even a video training. Get started with something small. And then the best part of this is when you do work up to a bigger course or a bigger program, you can add these pieces into that as a bonus. The next thing to do is start with getting one client. Just one. Don't focus on, I gotta fill up my client roster, I need 5 clients to make the bills. Get one. Focus on that client, give them all the love that you can, and overperform for that one client. It may not pay off in the beginning, but here's what's gonna happen. This client's gonna get results from you. This client's gonna shout your name out to the world. They're gonna give you a testimonial. People are going to see this and be like, I need what she did for her, right? And another reason is you may be creating things that you think people need and they don't really need it. You've got to really understand a pain point of a client before you can start building these bigger things that you could potentially be wasting your time on. I know that happened to me. I thought my audience wanted this type of course, and after working with a client one-on-one, I realized they didn't really need that. That wasn't their pain point. It was over here, and I was focusing on the totally wrong topic all along. So focus on getting one client and giving them all your love. The next thing to start making money in your business is hire out. What? Yeah, you've got to hire out. And I understand bills are tight. So see what you can afford. Break down all the bills that you have to pay and put in all the money that you're making and see what you can afford and pick the one that's going to pay off the best. For me, I was super scared to do this because I have kids and I need to save for a college fund and we have a house and a car payment. So for me, thinking about hiring somebody and paying money was a scary thing. But here's what happened. I hired out something that I wasn't good at. I hired out my branding and my thumbnails here on YouTube. Here's what happened. I 3 times the amount of clicks that I got on my YouTube channel, meaning I 3 times the amount of people I reached out to that are now in my world of my audience, who now subscribe to me, who are now on my email list, who are now primed and ready to buy from me. So even though, yes, I had to put some money in, it paid off because she helped me grow my audience and have a wider set of people to pitch my product from to make even more money. So it's scary, but think about one area in your business that you can hire somebody out that can do it better. DIYing my brand was not working for me. Getting somebody who was a professional in branding and graphics is what totally paid off. So what's next to make money, right? It's funnels. Yes, I know, funnels are a scary word. Where do you get started? It's not your jam. It's not how you want to sell to your people, but honestly, funnels will make you money. This was a huge piece of the pie that was missing when I started my business. I didn't have time to do it because I was so focused on this amazing course. I was going to make all this money. And what I didn't do is, while people sign up for my email list, I didn't nurture that list. I didn't send them valuable information. I didn't come into their email inbox and build that relationship. Yes, I was on YouTube, but not having that personal touch in email. So what I suggest, the first funnel that you should create that's really going to help you start making money is just a welcome funnel. Maybe 4 to 5 emails when they sign up for something. You personally send them some more valuable information. So I've got playlists that I share with people because they may not know I have these playlists. Just because somebody signed up for your email list doesn't mean they know everything about you. They're not following every single move of yours. So send them some of your valuable content. Maybe there's another opt-in that you have that you want to share in this funnel too. The more value you can give them, the more primed you get them, the more excited they get to want to work with you more. So just start with a welcome funnel. And maybe at the end of that welcome funnel, you then pitch them that low price product from that first idea that I gave you to help that income start rolling. The next idea is to be consistent. You have to keep showing up. You have to keep reminding people you're there. Whether it's a weekly YouTube video or a weekly newsletter or just being consistent on social media, there has to be some type of consistency in you showing up. People are constantly coming in and out of our lives, and if you aren't reminding them that you're still here, it's pretty easy for them to forget about you. Really, you're not that fantastic that people are going to remember you, unfortunately, so you got to keep reminding them how fantastic you are and how bad they need you in their lives by showing up consistently. The best way to do this is to have a total content plan, and I actually vlogged how I do my quarter's worth of content planning. I'll link it right up above and down in the description box so you can watch behind the scenes of how I map out my strategy so I can stay consistent here on YouTube, in my inbox, on Facebook, on Instagram, so that you can kind of just copy and paste my strategy so you can continue to be consistent in your business. So where are you struggling with your business? What video would you like me to do next to help you in your business? Let me know down in the comments below. If I decide to do your video idea, I'll make sure I highlight you in that video. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell notification to catch all of my videos here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!